This is a typical day of a salesperson from the textile field. Does it look familiar to you?
We lost order again.
How come?
You tell me. Our competitor can finish sample in maximum 1 week. But you took more than a month. Without sample, we have nothing to show customer. How can we get the order? It is not only the price issue. The point is, who can provide sample faster? But you cannot help at all. Oh.
Let me show you the magic. What if every sample request could be fulfilled quickly and all customers are happy? CCI can help. CCI understands time is gold. Time is everything. The sampling loom, Evergreen II, can help you finish sample even within 1 day. With the machine, you can get sample faster and you can win more orders. It's not only faster, it is easier and it is cheaper. You will no longer regret for losing orders. No more waiting, no more worry, and no more waste. Because Evergreen II gives you best sampling experience ever.
We are going to beat them all!
We make life easier.